everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven, and thank you very much for joining me today. How to make another project in a different way using the hexagon reef box die set. So this is what the die set makes. So as you can see, we've got the reef and it's got your treat boxes. I changed it up and I've made mine into a tree, and it stands up as well, and each box has some Lindor chocolate inside. So I've used the pattern paper from this collection as well as the stamp set, and I've just decorated it with some things that I had in my stash. So the way they open up is each box at the back has some Velcro to reveal some Lindor chocolate inside there, and obviously we've got some in the bottom as well. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial, and let's get started. So the products we're using are from Simply Made Crafts, and we're using the hexagon reef box die set, the Deck the Halls A5 stamp set, and the beautiful Deck the Halls paper pack. So to make the treat box, you're going to need to die cut using this die here 3 times out of acetate. So I've done 2 already and I've got them all prepared ready. So this is what we're going to be making. So we need to make 3. So I'm going to do the 3rd one with you. So there is my acetate all cut out ready. Then in the die set you'll get the trellis dies and also the outline dies. The sides of our tree, you're going to die cut 6 of these out of the patterned paper, and then for the front of the tree and the back you'll need to cut 6 of the patterned paper out of this die here, and then for the base I've cut 3 out of this one here. Now for the green mirror card that's backed behind the paper, all I did was I got some mirror card and I turned it to the back and placed my die on to the back of the mirror card, traced around the edge with a pencil, cut that out, and then it will be slightly bigger than your paper. So I did that to all of them. So obviously it's a bit difficult for you to see on acetate, but you've got all these score lines here and you want to fold on those score lines, and you want to use a bone folder to give them a good crease, because obviously it's acetate, so you want to make sure that they're pressed down nicely. Then we're going to add our adhesive. So you want to turn it over so the inside of the box is facing down, because we're going to add the adhesive to the outside of the box. So you'll see here you've got these 3 tabs this side and then these 3 tabs this side. You're going to add some red liner tape to this one and this one, and then the same on the opposite side here and here. Okay, do not add any adhesive to these tabs at the top, because if I show you, the opening is at the back of the box. So when you open it up you've got these tabs in here, and that stops this section from going inside the box. So don't add any adhesive to them. We're going to fold in our sides. So then we have the back of the box with these 2 tabs here that don't have the adhesive on. And we're going to seal that up in just a second. So I'm going to add the base on to the bottom one, and one of them I've just glued down with liquid glue. Then the other one, which is going to be on the front, I've added foam tape to the back of the pattern paper. Okay, so this one with the foam tape will go at the front, and then this one will go onto the back. You have your side panels here. So go ahead and glue them down. So then all we need to do is add our treats inside. So I've actually got these Lindt Lindor white chocolate. Okay, so I've got 3 left because someone's been eating them, but there we go. And you can fit about 4 in each, but as I've eaten some, I've got only 3 left in this one, but never mind. I'm sure Helen will enjoy them no matter how many there are. So I'm going to fold that in, and then to keep it closed, I've got some Velcro. So I've got some black Velcro, but it doesn't matter what you use. You could use magnets if you want to. I just went for this one because this is all I've got. Now what we want to do is we want to start assembling this tree. So I'm going to stack them on top of each other, and I'm going to hot glue these into place. So all we need to do now is just decorate it. So I had this wooden star, I think I got this from the range or the works, and I actually coloured it in with the number 4 vivid red Creative Craft marker on the front and the back. I've gone around the edges with my Wink of Stella. I've stamped my star here onto some white card, as well as my sentiment, using gold embossing powder, and then I heat set that, and then I got some more white cardstock and I just coloured that in with this marker. My sentiment onto that, so then they both matched each other. Then I have some sequins in here, so I'm going to hot glue my star on the top. I'm going to have my sentiment, I think, in the middle, and then I'm just going to add some gold stars, some gold sequins onto my tree, just to bring some more of that gold in. There we go, that is all now decorated. I forgot to mention you need a matten layering piece to go on the top as well. This is what the sides look like. Then you can see on the base it's got that green just to finish that off, and then when we turn to the back, then we have these that all open to reveal our treats inside. So obviously you've got them on there as well. So there we go, another different way to use Helen's hexagon. Let me just grab it here. Hexagon Reef Box die set, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, if you did, then please give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and all products will be listed in the description bar down below. So take care guys, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.